Hello learners, welcome to this SWAYAM course on General Psychology. I am Dr. Shradha Sakatkar. It is very comprehensive introductory psychology course for anyone interested in the subject with little or no background of psychology. In this course, you will get detailed information about different dimensions of psychology, such as nature of psychology, learning, memory, understanding motivation and problem solving. You will learn various theories of personality, concept of intelligence and emotional intelligence, as well as it will provide information about different types of psychological tests.